Hello, this is C. Chadwick or Chadwick again at my YouTube channel. And today I bought this, I received in the mail this Keep Key wallet. I was going to do an unboxing and show you what the contents were and how it came. So it came in the mail in this small box, and it took a few days to get here. And it's got little peanuts, styrofoam peanuts in there. And this was the box that was in there. Now, it had shrink wrap around it, and this seal wasn't broken. But if you look real close, and you can verify this with me, that's the seal that needs to be broken in order to open the box. And it's a very important piece of hardware security there. So when you open the box, you have your 12-word recovery phrases card, so you can have a backup. And it's made out of thick kind of cardboard material. It's maybe business card type quality, a little better. Looks fairly durable. Here's your limited warranty and instruction and regulatory compliance. This is the Keep Key is now in here, and you can see it. I'm going to take it out once. It's the second time I've taken it out. And it's got a button there. And if you notice, it has a screen protector on it, this plastic, and we'll see if we can get it off here, just while we're on the video. Let's see here. Well, it may be designed to stay on there, I suppose. So it does have a film coating on there. It's like a piece of plastic or whatever. So that's it. And then inside the Keep Key box, it does have this neat little Keep Key website address. Underneath in the bottom of the box, there's a cord. It looks like a USB to Type-C and USB 2.0. So I haven't turned it on yet. I haven't even learned how to use it really, but I'm going to, and when I do, I'll be sure and post a video. I'm going to look at the box, the security code there. It's really neat, that holographic sticker. I think that's cool. Anyway, thank you and have a good day. Bye.